Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how to make a light switch that you can turn on and off. So first what you want to do is you want to type in bulb in the content browser, and you want to drag in BP bulb spot and BP bulb holder. Doesn't matter which holder it is, just make sure it's not a DL holder. Yeah, make sure it doesn't say DL anywhere in it. So you either read this one, this one, this one. I believe these don't work. Or this one might work, actually, but for that you would need this. But I'm just going to show you how to set the normal one. So you're going to drag in BP bulb spot. You're going to drag in your bulb holder. Then what you want to do is click on the bulb. Under bulb holder, you want to click on your holder. So mine is bulb holder 4, so I'll select that. And then what you want to do is you want to grab your switch. So you're going to type in switcher. You're going to drag in BP switcher. And then we want to connect the bulb holder to the switcher. So this is switcher 2. So we'll connect that to switcher 2. If I can find it. Go switcher 2, and then you want to grab your if you don't already have a generator or a general switch in your map, make sure you grab that. We'll use this one. We'll just drag it in. Or if you want it so that the lights are always on no matter what, you don't need a generator for it to be on. You can simply just go into the switch and select this box here that says generator. But you're probably going to want it so when the power goes out, the lights go out. So you can click on the switch, connect to, and this is called General Switch 3, because I have 3 of them. So we'll click on General Switch 3, and there we go. So now if we hop into the mod kit, we can run over. He's getting so long, oh my god, it's taking so long to walk downhill. There you go, and as you can see, the bulb is on. So if I click this, it turns off. On, cut the power, it turns off. So yeah, that's how you make a how you make the like a light switch, like a light and a light switch. So yeah, thanks for watching. Want to make sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, break out that mod kit, and start modding.